Hello friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today 3rd June 2020 we'll discuss Nifty, Bank Nifty and 3 stocks for tomorrow's trade. One is Britannia, other is Tata Metallics, HDFC Life. These 3 stocks for tomorrow's trade plan, and in general Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. Before going to that, go through the disclaimer. And today's quote. So this is the quote by Warren Buffett. So next, straight away we'll go to the technical chart. We'll go to Nifty. This is a Nifty daily chart. From last couple of days I'm explaining about this level. So 10,200, 150 and 200 zone. Today it tested the zone and fall from the zone. So this is the, see, if you see from here 9,000, around 9,070 or 9,100 to 10,170 today high. So decent rally has taken from last 6 days, 6 trading days. So now it is a time to take some rest for the bulls. So that is the thing. Now the market may correct for some time to consolidate in this zone. So decent support laid at 9,700 and 9,600 zone. This is the decent zone to get some support to the Nifty. At present, the crossing this zone is very difficult because the decent rally, it has given more than 1000 points rally from the low here after consolidation. So this rally should consolidate and took some turn either upside or downside. So that consolidation will maybe some more days. So if the price sustained above 30,350 for 1 or 2 days, then we can see another 500 or 600 points of rally. But at present that seems to be difficult for this week. We'll see after closing this week what is the levels for the next week. But time being for tomorrow, Thursday and the Friday, I don't expect this level to be crossed. So the present scenario is a consolidation market. So tomorrow this gap may be filled. So today there is a gap. This gap. So 10,035 and 9,995 is the gap area. Tomorrow it may be filled. If the price opens below the gap, it tries to fill the gap and comes back. So that is the strategy. So how to trade tomorrow we'll see on a 15 minutes chart. This is Nifty 15 minutes chart. Friends, this is the Nifty spot 15 minutes chart. The trading idea for tomorrow. So we are to enter as a short position at 1,130 kind of levels and keep a stop loss above today's high, that is 10,185 or 190. So that level you can keep a stop loss. Aim for a target of, this is Nifty spot trade plan for tomorrow. So short entry at 1,130, keep a stop loss above 1,188 or 190 and aim for a target of 9,970 or 80 kind of levels. So this way you can plan, because the price today fallen from the resistance zone and it may test around 9,900 kind of levels tomorrow. So that is a trade plan for tomorrow Nifty, and we'll see the Bank Nifty. Friends, this is the Bank Nifty spot chart. Yesterday video also I explained about this zone, 21,500 and 21,900 zone. So stiff resistance. Today it tested the zone and fall from there. So the candlestick pattern is a bearish pattern. So tomorrow the gap may be filled. So in the coming days, the decent support laid at 19,600. But if you see the rally, 17,500 to 21,500, decent rally. This rally should take some correction, then only there is a probability of going upside. So the correction may be come to this area, 19,600 zone. So how to trade tomorrow? Intraday we'll see on a 15-minute chart. This is the 15-minute chart. See the today price action. This is the consolidation area, small rally. After rally, it is a fall. So now how to trade tomorrow? This is the area where we can go for a short. So our entry should be here, 21,180 kind of levels, and keeping a stop above this candle, 21,350 kind of levels, and aim for a target here. This is the 20,500 is the 450 or 500 kind levels, that is the target. So as per opening of the price, you can change or modify these levels also. Only thing is we have to observe the price action after opening the market. If the price comes to our zone, then we can go for a short. So this is the Bank Nifty spot chart. According to that, we can trade for tomorrow. This is Britannia daily chart. If you see this extension of this rally, it tested 138.2%, that is 3636, this level, and today it made a all high of 3,700, and from there it has given fall to 3,510. So how to trade this stock? Now if see, this is a consolidation, this is the rally. Now it is retracing the rally. So whatever it retrace, see this rally retraced up to 38.2%, that is 3468, today's low, who is 3471. So near about that 38.2% it retraced. So how to trade this? There is a high probability of testing this 50% retracement zone, maybe tomorrow or couple of days. So our tomorrow's trade, how we have to trade is, so we have to enter a short position somewhere here, the 50% retracement area, that is 5560, 3,560 is the short, and keep a stop loss above today opening. So today opening is 3601, so we have to keep stop above that level, right, and aim for a target of 3468 is the first target, second target is 3400, two targets, right. So this is the trade idea. So we can go for short at 23.6% of this retracement, that is 3560, and keep a stop loss above 3600 and aim for a target of 3470 first target, and the second target is 3400. This is the Britannia for tomorrow's trade. So this is Tata Metallics. Today a breakout at 460 and closed at 482. So decent breakout with volume today. So tomorrow how we have to trade? This is a trade plan for tomorrow. So this is the rally here, base, rally, base. There may be a drop tomorrow morning. So that drop can be used as a buying opportunity. Buy at 468 kind of level. Keep a stop loss of 462 and aim for a target of today's closing price 482. So that is the trade plan for Tata Metallics tomorrow. Another stock is HDFC Life, that we'll see now. This is the HDFC Life for tomorrow's trade. How to trade? See, the rally rejected at supply. So today's price action is a doji kind of candle, and tomorrow we have to trade only a breakout on downside. Today's low is 494. If the price goes below 494, we have to go for a short. So this is the trade plan. So below 494 short, keep a stop loss above 498, aim for target of 480. So this is the simple plan for HDFC Life tomorrow. So today we discussed about Nifty, Bank Nifty, Britannia and HDFC Life. Both are in short side and Tata Metallics on long side. So these are the three stocks we discussed. We will plan for tomorrow's trade. That is tomorrow's trade. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe.